sea lion swims fast enough with enough power, nothing but their muscle strength, to literally launch themselves out of the water completely. And a handstand like this, I personally don't have the core strength to maintain that. Thankfully, these Steller sea lions are working on it every single day. But that breach behavior, where they swim to launch out of the water, is not an easy task. I want any of you who like to swim to imagine swimming fast enough to leap out of the water with nothing but your arms and your legs. I guarantee that none of us can achieve that. And I guarantee that none of us weigh anywhere near what big guy Kenai weighs over here. He's currently weighing over 900 kilos. That number in pounds, you can multiply it by 2.205. That's nearly over 2,000 pounds. And that's not even as big as male Steller sea lions get out in the oceans. So maintaining all of this exercise in these large muscle groups is just as important for them as it is for us. And we humans have so many different options when it comes to exercise. Many of us maybe swim, dance, go to PE class, maybe we play sports, lift at the gym, anything like this. Steller sea lions are keeping up their exercise through a lot of different behaviors, and you'll see many of them. The third reason, though, might be my actual favorite, and that is mental enrichment. We humans know all about that, because mental health goes hand in hand with our physical health, and Steller sea lions are very intelligent animals. They've evolved these crazy awesome brains over the years to help them figure out where to get their next meals, how to navigate difficult weather conditions, and how to avoid becoming anyone else's meal like an orca. So with all of this thinking, keeping up their brain power is very important, and some of these behaviors are asking for multitasking, focus, concentration, and often paired up with that physical exercise as well. We had seen a behavior earlier where a Steller sea lion was slapping a flipper on the surface of the water while the other one stayed perfectly still underneath the surface. This multitasking behavior is the Steller sea lion equivalent to us humans trying to do one thing that I know a lot of us have done before. So if you'd like to join me and participate in some human being mental enrichment training behaviors, you can take one hand and put it on top of your head. You can take another hand and you can put it on your belly button. And you can pat your head and rub your belly. And now switch and go the other direction. There you go. And that is your human being mental enrichment multitasking training behavior for this afternoon. And if you were a Steller sea lion, you'd wind up with a big old fish. And that's probably what you're all wondering right now. What is this training? How does it work? What is the process and what are the steps? There are 3 important steps involved in this training, and none of these steps would be possible without this relationship that I have been talking about this whole time. The most important thing is that they trust each other, or else none of this would work. But you'd be right in assuming that there is a specific process. This process is something I know most of you in the audience are familiar with based on all the children here today, and it's called positive reinforcement training. There are 3 steps, like I said, and the first one is the ask. And it's where we're asking for a behavior. Because of a language barrier between Steller sea lion and human, there's a hand gesture, a version of sign language between the trainers and the Steller sea lions to ask. So keep your eyes peeled for a different hand gesture and arm movement, often paired with a vocal cue as well. The second step, after the Steller sea lion completes the behavior exactly as the trainer was asking, is the bridge. Now this bridge is not a physical bridge, but a verbal bridge. And just like a physical bridge, it's going to connect the first part to the final part of training. And this bridge is called the word good. If you open your ears nice and wide, you'll probably hear that verbal bridge after or as the Steller sea lion completes the behavior that they have been asked to. And the third and the most important step of all, I know you already know, is the reward. So on the count of 3, can I have you all shout out nice and loud what you think, and I've already told you, a good reward for a Steller sea lion is. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, fish, squid, sometimes the occasional giant Pacific octopus for some extra mental enrichment. But all of this is extremely important to us for a lot of different reasons, but it comes down to how much we care for these animals out in the world, and how much we want their populations to succeed. Unfortunately, these animals really need our help. Steller sea lions are the largest species of sea lion in the world. And their western population, the one that branches all the way up the Gulf of Alaska, has gone down a lot. And in the last 40 to 50 years, in only half a human lifetime, we've lost over 80% of their population. But we didn't know why that was happening. So, the Vancouver Aquarium partnered up with the University of British Columbia to see if we could answer that exact question. Where were they going? What was happening to them? And while we wrap up this program, I'm hoping you can take a couple things away from it. What they did is they went up there to the Gulf of Alaska to see what those animals were eating. And then to do that, they had to look through their scats. Does anybody know what scat is? Poop, yeah. They had to dig through that stuff and pull out the bones of the fish that were in it. And then they found something crazy. The Steller sea lions seemingly switched their diets up, and instead of filling up on salmon and herring, big, fatty, nutritiously dense fish, they're filling up on smaller, bonier fish like walleye, pollock, and atka mackerel. Fish that we call popcorn fish because it would be like us humans eating nothing but popcorn, but also trying to run a marathon every single day. So, where was it going? Well, we humans got really good at fishing for that same stuff in the last 40 years. We developed some incredible strategies, honestly. Trolley fishing, drop net fishing, some of these methods were taking tons of fish at a time. Unfortunately, tons of fish at a time is pretty unsustainable. And we took so much that the fish itself couldn't reproduce for the animals, and the animals then couldn't reproduce for themselves. So in only half a human lifetime, we've lost about 80% of their population. But there's a silver lining here, and that is that a human-caused problem's always got a human-caused solution. And I got 3 things for all of you who stayed till the end of the program to hopefully do in tune of helping these animals. Number 1, you've already done, that's educate yourselves. Learn about them, show up for them, and just know that anything's going on with them. We can't begin if we don't know about it. Second thing, if you have purchasing power, please only shop for sustainable seafood. Look for the Oceanwise logo, started right here at the Vancouver Aquarium. You can find all across North America now. Or the MSC logo, internationally you can look for that as well. A blue little check mark says MSC. Lets you know the food you are eating has been sourced in a sustainable way and is not being taken from these animals that need it in their own homes. And the third and the most impactful thing is what I'm doing right now, and that's using our voices. I don't speak Steller sea lion, I really wish I did, but in the meantime, I can use my voice to advocate for the animals that don't have one to advocate for themselves. And y'all can talk to your friends too, your families, your social medias. You can write emails, letters. You can put your names and emails and numbers down on initiatives for more marine protected areas like the 30 by 30 pledge. You can talk to your legislators and put people in power who will help protect our beloved ecosystems, etc., etc. Use your voices. If you have any questions, again, my name is Samuel. I'm more than happy to chat over there at the end of the boardwalk. And thank you so much to everyone who stayed till the end here. I really appreciate it. Enjoy the sun. Have a lovely afternoon.
Saan? Balik tayo dun sa sila yun. Ay, natutulog sila. Tulog oh. Ano, mga tulog na.
Rajuta na. Rajuta na.
Thank you.
See all the
Teka lang, dito muna. Saan tayo?
yan, hindi lang dito dumaan sa kabila.
Alam niyo.
Live to?
Canada's Arctic. Ito to sa Welcome to Canada's Arctic. Ano? Yan.
Wow! Lipat tayo sa kabila. Ito po ang... Anong fish to? What's that? Anong fish to? Ang dami.
Arctic.
Char. Char. Ito. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Corals. Yes, Ben.
Galunggong daw yun, sabi ni Tita Rosan. Yes, kanina. Galunggong.
Masarap po yun. Masarap.
Sarap ng galunggong. Dali, i-tour pa natin sila. Li, i-tour mo sila.
Ba't ko matutuloy? Hindi ko nga rin po alam eh.
Yun, ang laki. Antayin natin. Asa na? Hintayin natin dumating.
Ang taba ng sila yun. Si Otter. Sila yun pala. Si Otter.
Kasi ang taba mo yun. Stellar sila yun. Iikot pa ulit siya. Isang ikot pa. Ang kamag-anak ni LL. Nagtago. Saan na? Uy, ang taba.
Para sa Edela.
Puro mo ronda. Tara na.
Tara na.
Hindi yung mga kapatid ko.
Ito yun, oh.
Napakita yung shirt mo. Yung shirt mo.
Titiri pa siya dyan.
Napakita mo yung shirt din na.
Nasaan? Ay, sige.
Sa paan.
Dito ba ang daan?
Ito si Shark pa sa taas. Shark dito. Mali. One shark. Shark sa taas. Ano na sa taas? Sa taas si Shark. Ano to? Ano to?
Ay, ito.
Ay, Shark na!
Wait lang. Nasa ilalim tayo kanina eh.
Ay, nandun tayo sa kabila oh.
Hindi, sa ilalim tayo kanina. Asa na yung kapatid ni LL?
May dagat.
Ayun.
Ito sa laki.
Ang laki!
Ayun.
Huge one under us.
Baka yung matulog na.
Yun.
Sila pala nakita natin sa baba.
Mm.
Wala, ito yun na yun.
Katakot yung mukha mo ni. Ayun eh, parating na. Yan. Ay, ito.
Hiling mataba.
Yung kamag-anak ni LL.
Gusto doon umiiyak.
Ayun, paikot-ikot lang siya. Pasok tayo, init.
Tara.
Sa ano naman tayo?
Tara tayo sa Shark pa, sa Shark.
Sa Sharks. Pakita natin kay Tison.
Sige dito sis. Salamat. Ah. Sabi?
Mamaya doon na.
Ay ko. Uy, ito.
Sabi raw, maano sabi raw?
Hello po, Tito Argel. Shout out po sa iyo. Tsaka shout out din po kay Tita Princess.
Nanegra. Nanegra ka na li.
Wala akong sunscreen.
Eh, galing na tayo dito.
Doon, sa dulo.
Dito sa kabila naman. Lakad-lakad lang. Walang kakain sa pamilyang ito. Diet tayo, diet.
Ito dito muna.
Yung Sharks, Lee.
Doon.
Dito, Lee. Dito.
Hindi dyan, te.
Just bring everything down.
Hmm?
Yun lang, doon yun.
Pakita mo natin sa baba.
Pwede yun sa trophy.
Doon naman sa trophy.
Tagal, ito. Pakita ko lang to.
Doon sa dulo.
Wait lang, dito lang saglit.
Stop.
Ang ganda ng mga likod. Hanggang tingin lang, sis. Hi, Caleb. Caleb, fish. Caleb, look at the fish. Ooh.
Kamukha ni Mama. Kamukha ni Tita Sheree.
Kamukha ni Ate Lily eh.
Ay, mabukit mo malaki. Kamukha ni Elsie.
Bulaga. Gulat ka.
Oh, that's just the same color.
It's in the thing. It's in the thing.
Oh, hi kay ninang mo. Sis, ninang mo.
Doon tayo sa shark po.
Sa shark. Oh, akit tayo sa shark naman tayo.
Ang galing na.
Sige ba, sa tropic zone.
Teka lang.
Tara.
Tapos kami.
Doon, Mama.
Teka sa jellyfish. Wait lang, sa jellyfish. Ma, hello tita ninang si Ray.
Hello. Wait lang, may shirt ko.
Wala.
Malapit ka na daw umuwi.
Hindi dyan yun. Doon yun.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish muna. Bakit natin kay Caleb? Caleb, look at the jellyfish. Ito, jellyfish din. Ito, jellyfish din.
Sino pa itong malaki?
Ay, pakita mo kay Pison yung ano. Saan tayo, Lee?
O, tingnan mo. Ito, traffic zone. May shark. Ito.
Ang dilim.
Ano ba?
Shark. Hindi. Shark.
May mas taas man. Mas taas.
Shark. Mama. Init.
Where's Boss? She wants to see the shrimp.
Saan yun, Lee?
Ayun o.
Kailan ito muna? Ano yan? Tilapia.
Yellowfin.
Ito na stingray. Ito tayo stingray. ba dun? Ano?
Ayun, oh.
Dito.
Ay, andito pala dati.
Uy, stingray.
Pakita ulit yung ano.
Pakita ko arwana. Look at the arwana. Aba. Wala, nung entry dyan. Doon tayo punta sa...
Ano ba yun?
Ito, pagbido sa buhay. Pagbido sa buhay. Ito rin. Pagbido sa buhay. Ba? Ito na. Pero no. Tara.
Saan ba niya rin pupuntahan? Ito, enter.
Push mo, ma. Push mo.
Saan mo yan?
Ooh. Laki. Pasok kami. Wait lang. Let's go. Thank you. Wow.
Labanan to sa...
Uy.
Ayun pa sa taas mo, sa puno. Ayun. Ay, Scarlet.
Ah. Scarlet Ibis.
Ganda yung kamag-anak niya. Uy.
Saan?
Yun sa taas yun.
Ito. Ah. Diba, may pamela.
Bumamela?
Pamela.
Achoo. Bless you.
Thank you.
Ayan, please.
Wala, may birthday dito.
Tada, turtle. 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 Ngoy. Ito, pagod na sa buhay. Hmm? Pagod na sa buhay sa Elion. Ito rin, pagod na.
Nandito raw.
Slot?
Slot yun, oh. Nandito. Night slot. Napin natin kung saan papasok.
Slot yan, yan ang unggoy.
Dahil isa yung black in.
Asa na dito? Tingnan mo, ayun sila. Oh. Slot. Fish.
Ano meron dito? Hindi, ang bilis pala niya. Kahit na
Thank you daw ta, sabi ng mga animals.
Kinausap mo? Saan? Laban?
Yung crab yun, kumakain ako.
Tingin lang. Tingin lang.
Dikit mo sa loob.
Ba't walang signal dito?
Ayun, monkey.
Di monkey. Goldie monkey. Goldie monkey na kasulat. Goldie monkey.
Doon, punta ka doon. Ikot ka doon.
Tara, turo mo la. Turo mo yung monkeys.
Kaliwa ka.
Snakes. Ang laki yung maas.
Saan ang ulo ng ahas?
Wala. Yung ulo ng ahas, ano, tao.
Ayun o, umiikot na siya.
Ha?
Perang, perang.
Mawala na internet masyado eh.
Hindi good. Good na.
Ma! Nagbalat na siya oh.
Sarili mo.
My nest. Ano mag-like sarili? Saan? Paano tayo makakamove? Tara. Tara. Sino mama? Iwala natin. Look. Ay, bidyon.
Slot.
Tingnan natin. Wow! May tao sa loob.
Ano yan, Lee?
Slot.
Pakain mo.
Kaya go? Let's go. Eight.
Gusto.
Sorry. Tara na. Sino daw nasa ka?
Baka mali. Tatawagin ko sila.
Thank you. Wala. Ah! May spider pa rin.
Yellow-head gecko.
Where's the yellow-head gecko?
Hidden kasi. Doon yung mga gamba dito.
Spiders. Picture ka na, El.
Ano to? Spider.
Dahan-dahan pag-video kasi
May spider pala dun sa ano. Wait lang, ma. Ito, oh. Kurakot. Mga...
Crocodile lang yun.
Crocodile. Ah, dito tayo. Tara. Sila. Oh. May mamaya tiga mo.
Ah, it's immersive. So,
Wala. Bat lang. Lakaway lang.
Tandaan lang daw.
Ano to? Umikot lang tayo. Umikot lang.
Ito kay mama. Sunod tayo kay mama.
Baka mo nga.
Amoy siya. Sige na. Kasi amoy siya. Aliwana.
So si mama.
Dom stroller. Tara, let's
exit na exit.
kuya tayo.
Exit.
Ayan o.
La, tingin la. Meron pa dito, ano to? Tiyog mo pakita yung mukha mo.
May nagsabi.
Hello.
Ma!
Dito.
Sabi daw, hello, chair.
Hindi pa tapos dito, ma.
Sabi mo hello din.
Hello din, Ate Rosalie.
Ma, dito yung
Tsaka, good
dragon.
morning.
Ate Chit.
Ma, dito yung dragon, ma.
Haggard na. Cute mo. Meron pa ba dyan? Aray ko. Mother. Hi ka, Mother.
Hi.
Si Mother, malapit na umuwi. Uwi na ng Pinas.
Ayan o.
Ba, di ba tayo dito nakapunta? Ba, dito mo.
Ano yan? O, i-tour mo sila.
Hindi ko nga po alam yun.
Ayan o. Monster. Gila, monster. Wait. Asan siya?
Ayun o. Ayun o.
Ayun, nagtatago siya.
Ako, pera mo.
Yeah.
Andito.
Dito muna.
Yan sa ulo. Yung ulo dito. Ay, gapo. Yan ako dito.
Video to. Live to.
Tapusin mo na natin.
Wait lang, i-exit ko na tong live. Iikot ko lang.
Ikot natin.
Tulog sila.
Ito siya.
Hindi naman to sa dagat, hindi naman to sa may ocean.
Thank you, Ate Chit. Miss you. Kumusta si Alexis?
Hintayin na natin. Ay, ito yun. Dito.
Hi, Ate Rosalie. Kumusta si Patrick? Uy, what's that? Tulog. Ano yan? Ahas tulog.
Tulog. Hindi na pinatulog.
Hmm?
Tara, tayo.
Saan?
Ano mo dito? Puro ahas.
Ayun, yung kulay green. Si Puluput.
O, diba? Totoo. Really? Oh, ayun.
Dila yun eh.
Diba? Totoo.
Malamang totoo yan, El.
Hindi kasi yan parang... Dito.
Ito nga, ate, oh. Trili. Tingin, ate, oh. Ate, nakatingin. Ay.
Saan?
Kala ko get.
Ikaw, mama. Hi!
Ay, sweet. Sa tingin kay Ate Lily, pa-picture naman sa Ate Lily.
Ang kumare mo.
Nakatingin kay Ate Lily.
Lili, ang kumare mo.
Nakatingin. Ma, tignan mo, pakita mo si Ate Lily rin. Lalo na siya.
Tago tuloy. Takot sa akin. Katingin lang. Bakit maglakad?
Oh, mag-ano ka na, Lili. Babay ka na.
Meron pa dun na.
Lili. Babay ka na.
Bye po.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Thank you
soon.
for
See you
watching. Ang oily ng face ko. Beautiful eyes ka. El, beautiful eyes. Babay ka na. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye!
Ingat.
Babush!